It's Jay Stevens. The stage is set inside Budweiser Gardens. We're outside on the red carpet. Let's see who wants to chat.
Don't give me that banana. No, I want you to do it.
Look at you, wow.
How are you?
How are you? So good to see you, my brother.
You know, to come here to our hometown, relax and see some amazing Canadians, it's really the best feeling, dude.
This year, we're going all around the world. We're so excited for it, and we have a lot of new music that we've been working on. It's crazy, and you supported the hell out of us. Like, we appreciate everything, honestly. And you're coming to the after party.
I'm coming to the after
Put it
party.
on record, this man is not going into work tomorrow.
What's the last year been like for you?
It's been so surreal. The amount of support that I've gotten from everybody has been, beyond anything I could have imagined.
And you were just in London a couple weeks ago to see some of the kids at St. Paul Catholic
Yes.
School with the Music Counts donation.
It was amazing to give them, for Music Counts, to give them something that I think no money can buy. I'm so proud of you.
I told you I was going to try to top you, but then I look at this and I'm like, I can't. Oh, man.
I mean, I'm super honored for the opportunities that came this Juno weekend. It's been a busy, exciting, very, very exciting time.
Congratulations on everything. And don't be a stranger. You come back and see us even when all this is taken down and I'm back in my hoodie and track pants, all right?
Amazing, so I'll be there, no doubt.
Essentially, the universal mixer that you and Lights actually had a chance to cross paths, and now you've got the new banger out, Love It, which is incredible.
Thank you. She was eating in the corner, and took all my courage to go approach her because I've been a fan forever, and luckily she'd heard of me, and then we became friends and just started writing.
If there is insert name here in the room and there is an opportunity to strike up a conversation about a potential collaboration, especially with some of the names that have emerged in the Canadian music scene over the last 365 days, who is it that you'd love to have a chance to hook up with?
Michael Bublé. Come on, Bublé. Let's make something weird.
Even if he doesn't collab, that needs to be the name of a song. Come on, Bublé, let's make something weird.
Yeah, I feel like he'd be down with that.
Bublé on Virgin Radio, I think it's money in the bank.
I love it.
Once again, huge thanks to our friends at Collins Clothiers for making sure that I was red carpet ready for the Junos. Now, if you know somebody who deserves the red carpet treatment, just post their name in the comments below for your chance to win a $500 Collins Clothiers gift card.